Anybody who knows me is going to say, that's not an LS. And you would be absolutely correct. So we're going to do something a little different today.
Bolts.
That's right, Bolt Stripper 9000. Push it inward while you do it so it doesn't bounce off of there. Because we're using the proper chrome socket on the impact grip. Yep, just broke the socket.
Did.
Yep. Oh, gone, I can't believe it broke the chrome socket.
That's crazy.
Look at that. Take 47. You. Put it in there. Wiggle it. Never mind. Yep. All right. Pull it off. Give me all the bolts and pull it off. Just keep wiggling. There you go. Ding. All right. Let's go put this on the shelf. The clamp, the hold down should slide back. Did it slide back yet?
Yep.
Okay, now turn the distributor back and forth. There we go. Pull it out. Set her behind you.
Nice.
Okay, hold on tight to that. Let's set those same shelf with all, just drop bolts in it. Yep. Look like she's burning fairly clean. A little bit of goop in there, but it's been sitting a long time. Okay.
How long has it been out of commission?
4 years. Make sure you put your arm, your fist right under your chin as you're pushing. That's right. It's always best. Okay. Cue sad music. In the arms of the angel.
Sad.
Yep. Somebody left this outside.
Who would do such a thing?
It wasn't supposed to be here. Ooh, that's a little chunk. Chunky monkey, what is going on there? Oh. Uh-oh.
Aw.
Why old small block Chevys were such a pain. Because if you look, you got gasket surface mating here. Then you use silicone on here. Or they came with a gasket, but it never worked. And then you had a pinch point there where you had intake gasket, a gasket surface, and a head gasket meeting all in one spot. So it's just bad about leak points. And you can seal them up and they'll last and everything, but like an LS, everything is just flat. I mean, you look at this. No coolant or oil going through there. It's just a flat valley pan.
Yep.
I'm a real boy. Yeah, don't worry about them. Just zip them out. Yep, that's it.
Whoa! Get on.
Get a piece of that.
Come on, brother.
Now go to this side, and you'll kind of work your way back and forth, kind of. Remember the one down here? That's normal.
Cut it up. Sounds normal.
That when it pulls out of there, because it's they go into coolant jackets on these on small blocks. Yep. And it don't matter. You can mix them all up.
Even inside and outside?
They'll only go in the rotten spot. And then work your way in. So you'll leave this one and this one for the last two.
Oh, you want to
Stand them up on end. There you go. That's flat top pistons. Yeah, that's normal. Totally normal. Yeah, that's a little rusty crusty. That's no good. Zoinks. That's not normal. But it's not deep.
forward real bad?
Yeah, we could probably hone that out. We'll find out here in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Yep. You want to make the internet mad? Yeah?
Yeah.
Take all those lifters and just throw them at one of the valve covers. That's ugly right there. Gabe.
Dropped the bolt, didn't I?
Did.
Whoops. 650.
Quitter. Been here like an hour.
Huh?
Right, ready?
I
So-
got here at 3, so.
Every
4
single
hours.
one of these rod bearings lost its crush, and it was just about to fall out. All the coloration is really yucky.
Yeah, these rod bearings have been struck with unrequited love. They lost their crush.
That's right. Yes! Oh no.
Kind of hurts in the.
Yep. Now you're gonna, no, don't put it on there. You're gonna set it down right over here in this mess. But on the end, there you go. So it stands up. That way it gets knocked over.
And in conclusion, is it a good usable engine?
Oh yeah, it'll run just fine.
Yep.
I have rebuilt much worse.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Check out the other stuff here on the Autovation YouTube channel while you're here. We're gonna go eat some good grub and, you know, get finished up and cleaned up and
Get ready for my birthday.
get ready for his birthday. He's turning 51.
Yeah, 51. I mean 15.
Yep.
Depends, mental or physical age.
That's right. That's right.
All right.
Hit that subscribe button.
The goal for this rebuild was a bone stock engine that was refreshed for as little out of pocket as possible. So we hopped onto Rock Auto and found a nice re-ring kit from Engine Tech. Engine Tech is just top name brand parts in different boxes If you don't know that, check them out. Here's our cost breakdown. Rear ring kit, $101.79. AC Delco spark plugs, $1.67 each, 8 plugs. That's $13.36. Oil filter, $3.37. 5 quarts of oil, $18.95. Then we have a little bit of tax for Uncle Sam, $11.34. And shipping, $26.98. That gives us a grand total of $175.79. Well, this wouldn't be a normal project if something didn't go right. So this engine had an oddball ring pack in it where it had a 2mm top, 1.5mm second, and a 4mm oil control ring. Never seen that before, but had to hop on to Rock Auto again, get our ring pack ordered, and that ran a total of $58.39. So now that brings our total to a whopping $234.18.
All right, bolts are lubricated.
So
on my hands.
There you go. That's 70.
So what do you do? What pattern?
Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, so you go inside out.
You go
Two at a
inside
time
out.
and
Yep,
inside
two
out.
at a time, inside out. Well, we're using my old trick of transmission fluid to lube the cylinders. And we got this one ready to go, got a little lube on there, and I hadn't used these things in a long time, but I thought I knew I had some, and I found them. So we're gonna get this together, make sure she's in the wrong way, beat the cylinder up and the rod. There we go. You ever seen a hammer like that?
I have not.
Now you have.
No, I have.
You get to see what it's for. You take this. You want it to be nice and flat because that ring compressor will kind of bind up and be a little uneven.
Right.
So we get it on there flat, and then we'll make sure it's tight. Don't do that, that'll cut you. Make you cry like a girl, and you'll cry and cry and cry. And there it is. Blam! What you think?
Oh yeah, I like it. Not a lot, but I like it.
All right, rookie man on board here.
That's right.
Yep.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Got my oven mitts on.
Okay. Yep. Got the cheek going the right way. It's gonna face backwards.
Sheet going backwards.
Yep.
Oker dokers. Good deal. Where'd you put it?
You got your 1/4-inch ratchet behind you too.
Oh,
That's right.
oh.
Swing it hard.
Yeah, you can kind of feel it seat in there.
Yep.
There we go. That feels good.
Well, as long as you think so.
Okay.
You can hang on to this so that it doesn't spin, and you don't kill it. You just want to make sure that it's down on there.
kind of walking around.
It's gonna move. See that? Look.
Yeah. I reckon.
All right. Once you start tapping, you want to feel down on the bottom and make sure.
Got a lot of room.
Yep.
A few more taps and then we'll check.
Should be good to go all the way in.
Yeah.
But
yeah, it's lined up pretty good.
hold the compressor always.
Okay.
Put that foot right there. There you go. Switch feet. Top of the head here, we're going to line up here, okay, and then it'll drop down on those dowels. Make sure your fingers are in there, okay, up on that side, there you go. Down. This is hard, but it's not, there it is. Okay, now, whack it with the heel of your hand, knock it down. Make sure it's on the dowels. Hit it like you got a purpose. I do have a purpose, Dad. I promise.
Oh man.
Okay. Yep. It'll be all right. I'm just gonna put one headbolt right there. Okay. So it don't fall off. Okay.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
You went German or redneck?
They're both actually the same. Just one of them's messier.
Little inside joke.
That's right.
For all the regular watchers.
Well, they may not know it, but that's okay. This is how professionals do it. Just get this right here and you squirt her on down there like that. And when you got enough, put a little bit more on there. It should be just right. A little snot. You take this one, you drop her in right there. You drop her in right here. And you go here to number next. Then you do it again right here. And then this one, and another, and I like that one right there. Whoa! Don't do that. So were you a little surprised when you saw our redneck engine stand, running test stand when you pulled up?
Yeah, maybe a little.
Yep. Yeah, it is a cause for mild concern. Fire, and we'll negative to a bolt right here. That should work. That should work perfect. No sparks, that's good. Let's try our fuel pump.
We're gonna see if we can get the fuel pump going.
Oh, look at that. Look.
That's a small victory.
Crank it. How about that? Woo! That means someone knows how to
Do you
time
want
it.
to throw that on there?
Nah.
It's all right.
Nah.
It pulled off over here, so
Oh, it'll be okay.
clunks down. So.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1.
What was it?
Around here.
Oh, almost 100?
Almost. Well, it was like 70.
That's pretty good. Not bad. That'll do. I think she's healthy. What do you think?
I think we're good.
I think my ears are ringing.
Baby! Woo! Ah! Can't hear nothing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Man.
Wake up.
Been sitting for 9 months. Sure would be nice to have something to put into this thing. Maybe we could run it down the road one of these days. Oh well.
Well, that was a great outcome. Engine runs great. We're pretty excited about it. But whether it ran or whether it died, we're going to be happy about it. Psalm 118 verse 24 says, "This is the day that the Lord hath made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." Have a blessed day.